Note-taking is such an important and underestimated skill to have in your toolset. Studies show that when you take notes, you retain the information better than when you just try to listen. When learning a new skill or listening to a lecture, most people can only comprehend about a third of the information presented. There may be some of you who can listen to a lecture and remember everything without taking a single note, but this video isn't for you. This video is for the people who need to take notes but might not know where to begin. Here are a few tips to help you get started taking better notes. There are many methods for taking notes. Your challenge, should you choose to accept it, is to find one that fits your learning preference. The most common note-taking styles are the bullet and box method, the mapping method, the outlining method, the sentence method, and the Cornell method. They are all relatively simple and will help you build your note-taking skills. While I'm not diving into each method, I recommend looking at each and trying to find the one that best suits you. Many successful students use a combination of more than one note-taking method. And one more tip for you, take notes while you're learning about taking notes. If you have a hard time listening to long lectures and boring presentations, then you're most likely not going to remember the proper information by passively listening and watching. An age-old trick is to record your lectures with either audio or video. If your courses are online, ask your professor if they'll be available afterwards. Yes, you're gonna have to watch it again, but with the recording, you can play it at a comfortable pace and take notes at your speed. The more that you review and the more that you take notes, the more you'll remember and learn. As the saying goes, two heads are better than one. By working with classmates on group note-taking, your notes will be more thorough. Sharing notes can also confirm the accuracy of what is recorded. Each member of the group benefits from their peers' opinions and interpretations on the subject matter. One of the easiest ways to start a group for note-taking is using a cloud-based app like Microsoft's OneNote. You can collaborate and delegate roles within projects and create a collection of notes to help you organize your thoughts. Better notes help you study, remember, and prepare for exams. Start on the first day of class with a note-taking group, and your team will create a living document which each member will add to throughout the semester. At the end of the day, note-taking is a set of skills that takes time to master. If you find a suitable way to take notes and it works for you, then run with it. Note-taking isn't a lesson that is taught in most schools, and you may already be expected to know how to do it. The truth is, note-taking is a learned set of skills that is creative and unique for every student. So try your best, give my tips a shot, and hopefully you'll start taking better notes today. Trust me, note-taking will help you remember a lot more of your lectures tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and maybe you learned something new. I hope you took notes. Take care.